Leo, did you want to come for a ride? The festival?
Hey there, Mealtime Mentor Jenny here.
Hi guys, I'm Amy.
Hey, it's Mealtime Mentor Emily.
Lauren here.
I'm here at Festival,
Hey guys, so I'm at Festival Foods.
finishing up my shopping for the week, and of course I need to stop by my favorite aisle in the store, the pet aisle.
And we're gonna go shopping for a little naughty puppy named Max. So here we go.
This is the best aisle, the pet aisle.
My dog really likes these.
All right, so I'm gonna think, if I were a dog, which toy would I want?
So Max, I got you something.
What is that?
Leo loves to chew on these and they're really healthy for him. And I love that the ingredients are just sweet potatoes.
Max, what do you think?
So this is what we decided on. We've got this little squeaker toy for Ripley, and this giant indoor chuck it ball for Wallaby.
Skipper, do you want a turkey bite? Do ya?
You excited, Wally? Can you say hi? Hey, Rip. What is this? Is this a little raccoon for you? Wally wants your ball?
Stay. Stay. Okay. Oh, you're so excited. What do you have?
The next treat that they really enjoy is Fresh Pet, and it's grain-free.
Ripley, up.
Wave. Wave. Good boy.
One is going to Cooper. Here you go, buddy.
Ripley, say bye.